Hey y'all, we got another mail call from eBay, so we had to rush up here to Tennessee to mail this off. So this is going to a Mr. Dwight W from Jamestown, North Dakota, and it is some ring gear bolts, Mr. Gasket. So Mr. Dwight, we do appreciate your order. We'll get it wrapped up here and sent off to you, so that you can get your project back underway. And I know people say paper don't do nothing, but every little bit helps. Got you a sticker. That's our main channel, Dixie Customs. And Beth wrote you a note on the back side of it. So if you check that out, we'd appreciate it. So you just stuck in here and get it in the mail to you tomorrow. And hopefully get to you by the end of the week, maybe, if everything goes right with it. Arthritis fingers don't want to work too well. Like I said, we do appreciate you supporting the channel. We appreciate your order. We've still got some more stuff we've got to put on the eBay store. We've been out of town, so we haven't got much done on that side of it. So there you go. We'll be putting it in the mail to you tomorrow, so you should be receiving it by the end of the week if everything goes well. And thanks again for your order, and hopefully you get your ride back on the road again.